What's going on, good people? Welcome back to Cooking It with Chris. So today we're making a one-pan pepper stew. Let's do this. Actually, I changed the name to some spicy Orzo dish, but nonetheless,
so we're gonna go ahead and turn our pan on with our oil, because this first part ain't gonna take long. And we're going in with some turkey meat or ground beef if you want, or ground chicken. I just need 1 pound of it today. And we're gonna do this like our normal burger patty type stuff. And so we're gonna hit it with some Worcestershire. Add some breadcrumbs over in. So let's get that mixed in. And then we're gonna hit it with the M9 steak seasoning right over in. Mixing it in and through today. We got us a nice seasoned ball of meat. Let's check if our pan ready. Our pan is ready. Now with our ground meat, we just doing small balls. So we're making a bunch of small balls and dropping them in. That's a good size for what our vision. And you got your 1 pound of balls. So what we're gonna do here is taking these caps off. And we got banana peppers and jalapeno peppers. That's where the this pepper stew comes from. Banana peppers are not that hot, it's just a flavor really. So we're gonna take these babies, and we're gonna cut them into some rings, keeping all the seeds. Now jalapenos, these are some big ones. So, but they still got spice, so on one of them, I'm going to half and take these seeds out. And the other one, we'll keep seeds in. Alright. And same treatment we gave the banana pepper. Now all we're doing with our balls of meatballs, take them, roll them around to turn them over. Alright, so that's our peppers. Alright, and we're going to get us 2 hefty pieces of garlic. Scoot our peppers over. And you see I made the jalapenos a little smaller than the bananas. That way you don't get too much of the spice at one time. I got 4 kids and not all of them are highly tolerant of spice. Alright, so taking out 2 cloves of garlic, just gonna cut these baby up. No. Let me get this old slice up off of here. And then we're going to take this onion half and we're going to just dice it up. One of y'all hear my chickens in the background. I live in the city and I got a note the other day. Apparently somebody called in about my roosters back there making all that dang noise. And so now I gotta try to sell them or get rid of them or something. So if you're in the Memphis area and you want a chicken, let me know in the comments. I'll shake these meatballs around one more time. And we're gonna pull these babies out. And I'm using the tongs to get them out because I need the flavor in that oil. So all of this stuff has the same type of cooking time, so we're going all in at once. So we're going in with our half an onion, our garlic, and our banana and jalapeno peppers, all at the same time. In that oil, and all they need is about a minute, maybe 2 minutes to do their thing. Woo! And peppers are fragrant. All right, and while we talking about the rest of the way, we got us 2 small tomatoes, or 2 tomatoes period. I might pull a third small tomato over here. Got a little hole over here, fresh out the Mrs. Garden. Just cutting these babies up. Right now, everything has released enough. We're in a good place. So I'm gonna go ahead and add our tomatoes over in. Let's get rid of these. Mix together. That is so pretty. Now on top of that, we're gonna hit it with the M9 steak seasoning again. Oh, that's way too much. Maybe not, because I got a lot of liquid going in. So I'm risking it, but we're gonna leave it in there. Looks like it actually may be enough. If you didn't know, the M9 steak seasoning is great on vegetables. Oh, I think that's even prettier than it was before. So just about 30 seconds to a minute in. We had our meat all back over in. Get that all mixed up. Now we're going in with some Orzo pasta. Any type of small pasta is good on this. Open this baby up, and we're going in with the whole box. As it is, just gonna let that go. It's gonna kind of toast the pasta just a little bit. It's just about 30 seconds or so. And at this point, we're going in with a container of vegetable broth. That's a whole 32-ounce container of vegetable broth. Let's mix it. Make sure we get that pasta submerged. We're gonna wait till it starts at simmer, get a little roll going, and then we're gonna cover it for about 10 minutes. I don't know if y'all see that, but I thought my dang lid was cracked, but it turns out my kids just can't clean dishes, so let me rinse that off. Alright, so that's a good boil, so we're going to turn it down to some medium heat. Cover that baby up, and we're going to let it do its thing for about 10 minutes. Alright, 10 minutes and an outfit change later, we're done. Guess I call some pepper Orzo instead of pepper stew. That pasta took all that liquid. Ain't no chance to put no thickening agent, and we overpowered everything. Alright, so let's give it a taste. We're gonna see if we need some more seasoning. And you can see all these specks of the seasoning in there? Oh. No seasoning needed. It's delicious. But we're going to see if these kids complain because it's a little spicy. But we're done. That's dinner. Thanks to the M9 steak season. There you have it. Y'all enjoy that.